Most people wouldn't put Amtrak and all-inclusive in the same sentence, and you might be wondering why All-Inclusive Reviews is doing a video on train travel. The reality is, Amtrak and all-inclusive can go hand in hand, and here's how. When you book a sleeper, which includes a roomette, a bedroom, a family bedroom, or a handicap-accessible bedroom, the train becomes not only your transportation, but your lodging. It's not just transportation from point A to point B, it's actually part of your vacation. Another benefit of sleeper car travel is that all your meals are included in the dining car. This makes it truly an all-inclusive travel experience. For a detailed overview of the meals being served in the dining car, please check out our video about food and dining on Amtrak. Link is in the description below. In this all-inclusive reviews video, we will cover the roomette in the Superliner Amtrak cars. The Superliner is a 2-level train car. On the lower level, you will find 4 roomettes, the family bedroom and the handicap-accessible bedroom. Upstairs, you will find the other 10 roomettes and 5 bedrooms. As you first board the train, you will find an area available for luggage storage. Because there isn't a significant amount of extra space in your roomette, store your luggage here and bring a backpack with your personal items to your room. You do have access to your stored bag throughout your trip. Although the roomette is capable of accommodating 2 passengers, we suggest both to be small to average in height and weight, as the room is cramped. Traveling with 1 adult and 1 child would work well, and a single traveler would be ideal. If you have a choice when booking your roomette between a lower level or upper level room, here are some pros and cons to both. First, let's start with the pros of the lower level. If you are prone to motion sickness, the lower level rooms have less swaying and movement, which can be a huge benefit when you're trying to sleep. Just down the hall, you are close to the shower and multiple bathrooms. Last pro to note is that there is less people traffic on the lower level of the car. Now, moving on to the cons of the lower level. Lower level views can be slightly limited compared to those on the upper level. Another is track noise. Because you are located right above the track, you will hear more noise and feel more vibration. Last con, if you can call it that. In order to access the dining car or sightseer car, you will have to climb the tight staircase to access the other cars. Let's move on to the pros for upper level rooms. Your views from the upper level are expansive and, in my opinion, more enjoyable. Because transitioning between cars happens on the upper level of the train, you have easier access to the dining and sightseer car. Cons associated with the upper level roomettes are the movement or back and forth sway of the train. My wife, who is not usually prone to motion sickness, struggled with this while trying to sleep on our last trip across Nebraska. The other con is having to share a single bathroom with 9 other roomettes. Of course, you could always use one of the bathrooms located on the lower level if you don't mind the stairs. As you enter your room, you will be greeted by 2 cozy seats facing one another and large picture windows to watch the world travel by. Situated between the seats is a convenient fold-out table, very handy for games, eating, or getting some work done on your laptop. For privacy, the door to your room can be closed and easily locked for security. There are Velcro curtains that can be closed to provide additional privacy from passers-by or simply to eliminate light from coming in. Your in-room storage options are extremely limited in the roomette. In some cars, there's a closet located next to the door that includes a couple of hangers and has additional limited storage. In other cars, the closet is simply an open space with some straps to hold hanging clothes or jackets in place. You'll also find coat hooks for hanging bags, toiletries, or coats. If you're traveling solo, you can use the other seat and the upper bunk for additional storage. Located over the right shoulder of one seat is a reading light, temperature control knob, and the only power outlet for the room. Air hint: we suggest bringing some type of power strip to keep your devices charged. Airflow adjustments for your room can be accessed above the entrance door. Located over the left shoulder of the other seat, you'll find controls for another reading light, volume control for the intercom system, leave this on channel 1, a call button to call your room attendant, and the light switch for the main room light. As nighttime approaches, your room attendant will transform your room from daytime seating to nighttime lodging. This will be done at your convenience, so notify your room attendant when you would like to have the room changed. The lower bed is 4 inches wider and 4.2 inches longer than the upper bunk. In the upper bunk is a switch for a reading light and a blue night light. Climbing into the upper bunk, you will use the steps located next to the seat. Acrobatic skills come in handy here. For safety, there is a nylon strap that anchors to the ceiling to prevent you from falling out of the upper bunk while sleeping. Whether it's daytime or night, traveling on Amtrak in a sleeper is an absolutely amazing experience. Watching the beauty of creation pass by as you gaze out your window during the day, or being lulled to sleep by the rocking of the train at night. It is truly something everyone should experience at least once in their lifetime.
We know your time is important, and you taking time to watch our videos is greatly appreciated. Each watched video helps support my family, and if you'd like to be part of ours, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss the release of new content.